इस वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश के MCQs देखेंगे जो कि PPSC, FPSC, SPSC, NTS के PPSC में जो पूछे जाते हैं वो क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो इसे पहला सवाल है इसका। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सम पीपल डैश टू द ऑफिसर अगेंस्ट हिम अबाउट हिज मिसडीड। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, कंप्लेंट। Next question, if we go to the park dash you like to come to. Its answer is option C, would. Next question, it is certain that human beings dash latent power of which they are only vaguely aware. Its answer is option B, possess. Next question, it is already 5 o'clock, can you dash time to catch the bus. Its answer is option C, make it in. Next question, the man dash down the road is my brother. Its answer is option D, hurrying. Next question, all of us are devoted dash one another. All of us are devoted dash one another. Its answer is option C, 2. Next question, I am very much dash to meet you. Delighted. Option D is correct. Next question, I shall dash the matter. Its answer is option C, into. I shall look into the matter. Next question, he is blind in one eye. Option A is correct. Next question, the building is not safe and they must be dashed down. Option C is correct, pulled. Next question, ocean currently plays a dash role in setting long term climate dash. Its answer is option C, major and patterns. Option C is correct. Next question, I promise to dash you in all circumstances. Its answer is option B, stand with. Next question, it's difficult dash reconcile such different points of view. Its answer is option B, 2. Next question, the speaker did not properly space on his speech but he went on dash 1 point to 1 point only. Its answer is option A, stressing. Next question, in the test we will dash your work and then give you detailed feedback. Its answer is option A, assess. Next question, a speed limit is the dash legal speed that you can travel on the road. Its answer is option C, maximum. Next question, the president's speech was so dash that many people were persuaded to accept the need of change. Its answer is option C, eloquent. Next question, there is something wonderful dash him. B, about. B is correct. Next question, if she is not interested we will dash the proposal. Abandon. Option B is correct. Next question, the police forces have launched an operation to dash out the kidnapped person. Its answer is option D, trace. Next question, choose the correct spelling from the following. Its answer is option B, etiquette. Next question, she is working dash midnight. Its answer is option A, since. Next question, Mr. Jamal asked him a question. Its answer is option C, he was asked a question by Mr. Jamal. ये एक्टिव वाइज और पैसिव वाइज का क्वेश्चन था. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a lion does not eat grass, however hungry he may be. Its answer is option A, a grass is not eaten by a lion, however hungry he may be. Option A is correct. Next question, it is your duty to make tea at 11 o'clock. Its answer is option C, you are supposed to make tea at 11 o'clock. Next question, women like men to flatter them. Its answer is option B, women like to be flattered by men. Option B is correct. Next question, antonym of mendacious is question mark. Its answer is option A. Next question, antonym of flactious. Its answer is option A, inopportune. Option A is correct. Next question, synonym of supervene. Its answer is option A, follow. Next question, antonym of parsimony is, its answer is option D, generosity. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.